Hello, are you having a hard time keeping your inbox organized? If so, I've got two quick tips for you. Come over here to the gear, which is your settings. We'll go to configure inbox first, where you can set up three different types of tabs. Here's primary. You can see it's person-to-person conversations and messages that don't appear in other tabs. You've got social here. This will be your social network and media sites. And then we've also got promotions. Those will be sorts of, vendors and things like that. So I'm going to go ahead and hit save, and you see those tabs show up right here. It's fabulous for quick reference in organizing this inbox. The other thing that I love that I just learned a couple years ago, again in settings, over here, we're going to go to inbox. You can set up an organization in your inbox to have right here under inbox type. Default is not this way. You can go to unread first. So it will hold all of your unread emails at the top of your inbox. And you can choose the number of unread messages you want to be up at the top. I choose 50 because I'm constantly sending things to myself that I want to think about or look at later. That might not work for some of you, so choose the number that works best for you. And then go ahead down here and hit Save Changes. I hope you love your new configuration.